kubwa muno abajumbe amwe n'abaseneta banyaka bakumirana ase county ya Nairobi gosomo cyo Nairobi atubanyaka bagokwanira buna kinchira aho kiri babere bakorigia eri kumirana kubwaterana asobwamo esokonyora kumugusi abajumbe abo n'abaseneta bakora muno museneta bwe county ya Kisii musikirija ari mu Moyonyonga nabo igo omujumbe bwebunge ya South Mugirango musikisiri bana Zosoro oyibo igore omuchief whip nigo banyaka bakwanike buna ukubwaterana na gukora imirimo amo na gukurairire okonyora kumugusi ase amagenderero andos
watebanga gutwachichaga igabuna barayi ba Gusii. I think mwensi motomanyete mheshimiwa utari of course chigavana chitebere nchiyo senge gasi nerbale gukora Senator Nyamira, he gave an excuse because he was having a lunch meeting. He supposed to cover akina motebi agendo otwachira okugamba linga na lisirini tuanchira ne buna barayi ba Gusii to ichama buna bana bamo bali batamanyiti tokoro kumwanya getinge tosikane tuanchane tuanze koranga ki serikali erobone ko kolegasi in terms of ngaki turanyale go sabe serikali ebintu gete batoe biri turanyale ko kuira Gusii bichiko konya abantu baitu onye kunyale kana enchereri gigwe tuanze kukwana to kuligia magenderero na arabana inchi batagete Gusii. So etimu yebuna toleiga otuanchiranire nande tuasikanire to babana bano abamo tuanchane tokolega asiamo nande bono togochukwana neriogi elimo muntu tayo chukwaneke mambia ankiende kwa ibunekende nande tu decide nga for now ntuli kugamba mangana political parties chipati yeto no chire abara iwe chipati no bale lakini bono tu decide kwira na Gusii bono nyumba tole. I appreciate abara yaba mheshimiwa Soro bonsipi mheshimiwa Jafet na bagambe bali bonsi bale gaiga bakolire gasingiya oyo noro mwelekeo mu Gusii atagete tuichamo tubwaterane tusikane tuanchane tokole gasi.
Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Gusii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Gusii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
and next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed. We now have a government that is broad-based. We are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa, tutakaa kama viongozi, tutalizungumzia alafu tutatoa ujumbe rasmi. We will answer and respond to those issues very, very soon, once we have all the data and the information.